back from the dead.
Hey guys, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to make a Halloween look using this month's Boxycharm. I was debating whether or not to use the Boxycharm this month or just do a video on the Boxycharm this month because, I don't know, I wasn't sure like if you guys like wanted to see that or if you wanted me mainly just focus on special effects stuff this month, but I figured now why not use this stuff for a special effects look. So that is what I'm going to be doing for you guys today. I'm not sure what I'm going to create with all this stuff, but we shall see. I'm also going to be using my handy dandy liquid latex and cotton balls because I got something in mind. Just not sure how it's going to work out. Be sure to like and subscribe if you guys want to see more Halloween tutorials that I'm going to have coming up this month. Let's go ahead and get into the box. The theme for this month's box is Alter Ego, which I think is super cool and fitting for Halloween. So I'm kind of excited to see what I can create with all this stuff in the box. All right, so the first thing in the box that I think I'm going to grab is the Dermovia Lace and Peel Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my face. Oh, you get two of them. Okay. Wow, it's shaped like a face. I kind of want to use this afterwards for something, which I know sounds so weird. And then you get the product right here. I'm actually gonna go ahead and do this in the bathroom. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward to where I'm wearing the lace. And so I'm supposed to leave this on my face for 15 to 20 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so I went ahead and took the product off and redid my brows because I didn't realize when I first grabbed that product that I was gonna wind up removing my brows. So it's all right, you live and you learn. But I definitely see a difference in my face. I will say it actually hurt really bad taking it off. That's my only thing with it, but I really like the results of it. Like, it's kind of crazy. I mean, I have this blemish here still and a blemish up here still, but other than that, my skin actually looks pretty good after using it. If you have very sensitive skin, I do not recommend that product because it will hurt like hell. But if you've handled harsh face masks in the past, then you should be fine with this one. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get into some special effects stuff before I reach into the other stuff in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Mayron liquid latex, and I don't know, you guys, I'm just kind of winging this look today. I'm not sure what I want to do yet. I'm just gonna put a little bit at a time in here. I'm gonna go ahead and take the liquid latex with a little sponge and I'm just gonna wing it. I think I want it to look like my face is like kind of falling off, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna keep adding liquid latex all around this area of my face, I'm thinking. Grab a few pieces of cotton balls and just add the cotton balls on top of it and kind of make it a little stringy. That's what I'm thinking. It's gonna look like a beard at first, I'm not gonna lie to you, but you just gotta keep going. I feel like the majority of you have seen tutorials like this. This is like a super common thing to do now and a really inexpensive way to make a cool looking face effect for Halloween. Yeah, I think I kind of want it to look like my face is just like falling off, like all the skin. So then afterwards, you just add some liquid latex over that and you kind of sculpt it out a little bit with the sponge. And just cover every single piece of that tissue in this liquid latex and it'll just give you a more realistic skin look. And I think I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to do this all over most of my face. I don't know, I kind of just want to look like this gross melting zombie almost. Let's see what I'm feeling today. I'm feeling a little risque, you guys. Let's just go with it. All right, the next thing in the box is the Per Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. I'm actually extremely curious about this. Oh, the colors are so pretty. I think I know how I want to use this for the special effects look. I have an idea in mind. However, I think I'm going to go in with this bruise wheel first, and then I'm going to go in with this palette. All right, so I'm going to go in with this bruise wheel, and I'm just going to go ahead and speed this process up for you guys. I'll show you which colors I'm using and whatnot, but yeah, I don't want this video to be a million years long. So I'm going to speed this up for you. So now I'm about to go into the Per Midnight Masquerade palette. I think I want a somewhat pretty eye, you know? I still want to keep a little bit of glam in this gross, messed up situation. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and dip into this brown shade in the palette. And I wanna make my lower eyes smoky anyway, so that's what I'm gonna do with this shade right now. I'm just gonna make this very, very smoky on my under eyes. I'm gonna use the NYX Jumbo Bean liner and just start to line my waterline with this. So the next thing in the box is the It Superhero Mascara, which I'm pretty excited to try this out. I've heard good things. Kind of has a funny chemically smell to it though, but what mascara doesn't? You know those days where one of your lashes look awesome and your other lashes just look all janky and weird and there's nothing you can do about it? I'm having one of those days today. These are very long and beautiful and fabulous, and then you have these lashes that just are not doing so hot. Aside from that though, I do think the mascara was nice. I feel like it's a little bit too liquidy though, which I know sounds weird. Like, I feel like this is definitely gonna leave marks at the top of my lids for sure. But as far as like length and volume go, I do like it for that. However, it doesn't really matter because I'm going to add lashes with this look anyway. So alright, so I went ahead and added the Vegas nail lashes over top because I kind of want this to be a glam, fun zombie because why not? But then the very last thing in the box is the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick by Kat Von D in the shade Bow and Arrow, which I am so excited that this is in the box because this is one of my all-time favorite liquid lipsticks, and I was almost out of the one I already had anyway. I think I'm gonna put this on my lips because why not? We're doing a glam zombie here. Oh, I love that color so much, you guys. It's so pretty and it's perfect for fall time. And then the last thing in the box was this spray, which my hair is not damp right now. It's like a leave-in mask by Briogeo, which I've heard a lot of great things about this brand, so I'll leave it listed down below what I thought about it. Right now my hair is currently not wet, so I cannot use this for you guys. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and make some DIY scab blood because I cannot find my damn scab blood anywhere, but this is a great alternative. So I take a little bit of Vaseline, and then I also take some stage blood, and then I kind of just mash it and mix the two. Sorry about that, my camera died. I went ahead and added some blood in my nose to make it look like my nose is bleeding and kind of around my lips too. Sorry, I can't really smile. I got too much liquid latex love going on here. And yes, I am currently wearing a bib right now because I f***ed up and I don't want blood to get on this shirt. So that's just the reality of it now. But yeah, you guys, that pretty much completes this Boxycharm unboxing special effects tutorial I decided to do here for you guys. I actually had a lot of fun with this one. I liked being able to incorporate Boxycharm in this way, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. But yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe so you guys can see more of my Halloween tutorials that I have coming up this month. FYI, by the way, if I'm wearing contacts in the thumbnail, that is because my eyes are extremely sensitive and I cannot wear them in real life, so that is the one thing I always edit in my photos. I always edit in fake eyes, just so you guys know. Have a great rest of your night or day wherever you guys may be, and I will see you in my next video. And remember, stay weird, my friends. Bye, you guys.